Okay. All right, let's take a look at the first slide. All right, today we are doing revision. All right, we are at worksheet 16. You'll have the worksheet with you. Okay, let's start. An employee received 2,100 for a month's work. That means for what he is paid for working. He worked 12 hours a day. Okay, so this is 12 hours a day and $7 per hour. How many days did she work in that month? Okay, let's take a look at the 12 hours pay for one day first. Okay, so we put that as 1 day pay. He worked 12 hours. Okay, and you have to multiply by $7, and that will get down to $84. So how many 84 are there in 1,002? So you use 1,002 to divide by 1 day, 84, and then you get it down to your number of days. 1,002 divided by 84, you should get, sorry, 2001, not 1,002, 2001 divided by 84, you should get 25 days for this. Okay? So far, okay now. This is easy sum. Okay. Question 2. Let's see. Now, this is a repeated pattern. You have 9, 1, 1, 1, 9, 9, 1, 1, 1, 9. Okay. So you can see that repetitively, it is like 9, 1, 1, 1, 9. Okay. I cut it off from here. Let's take the 5 here. 9, 1, 1, 1, 9. Another 5 here. 9, 1, 1, 1, 9. Another 5. Okay. So he wants you to find the sum of the 500 numbers. So let's say this is for one set. Okay. So for this is one set, there are 5 numbers being added together. Okay. 5 numbers. And then how many 5 numbers will there be? Okay, so I have 500 divided by 5. So I have 100 sets. And one set amount, a number add up with 9 plus 1, 1, 1, 9. So this one is 10, 20, 21 for per set. Okay. So one set itself is 21. So you must times 100 because there are 100 sets. And you have 2,100 for this reason. Okay. That's for number 2. Okay. Let's check for number 3. So far, any question? No, Okay. Question number 3. Wait now, one is here. Thank you. The shaded figure is made up of square and the side is 12 cm. Okay, so when the square is here 12, so this is the square. Perhaps I want to do highlights. Turn to the highlighter. How many squares are there? You see, 1 here. Oh, this one is difficult to tell. 1. Then I can have this. This is 1 square. This one cannot. Red one, perhaps. Okay. So this is 1 square. 2 square. 3 square. So that's where the square here lah. And side will be 12 cm here. Okay. And then you have a height triangle, height of 39, which is here, height. And what is the area of that shaded figure? Okay, so first thing first, what you need to do is to find the 12 cm. Okay, let's see. This is 12. We find all the dimension for the picture first. 12 cm. Okay, so all in all, I would say that if I were to draw this dotted line, this is called the base here. Okay, this portion itself will be 12 plus 18, 12 plus 18 plus 12. Okay, so you technically get this up to 72 cm. Okay, so this is the base of the triangle, which is 72 cm. Okay, I've made an indicator there. All right, so you have a height of 39 for the triangle. Okay, so that is the height of the triangle. Okay, that works. So this one will be 72 cm. So first thing first is we need to find this area for the 3 squares. So area of 3 square. You get 12 times 12 times 3. So you have 144 times 3, you get 432. And this is only meant for the 3 squares. But then after that, you need to do this. What is this called? This is the area of the triangle. So area is equals to half times the base times the height equals to 1404. Okay. And I have 432. If I add both up, you should get 1,836 for the reason. Okay. So area of shaded figure. That means the whole figure, I add both 432 and 1,404. $1,836. So far, okay? Tanish, okay, Tanish? Can understand? Can, Karin, okay not? Can, okay. Who is missing there? Let's check. Casey, okay? Jaden also. Kernis? Good. Lena? Okay. All right, let's take a look at the next question. Okay, question number 4. Mrs. Wong gave a sum of money to 3 children, A, J, and G. Okay, A stands for Adeline, J stands for Joyce, and Jared. Adeline received 1,488, and this was 1/3 of the money. So this one is 1/3 of the money, meaning to say when this is 1/3, this is 1 unit out of the sum of the money, which is 3 units. Okay, so he got only a small portion of it. and this was 1/3. G itself, okay, receive 5 times as much as Joyce. How much money did Joyce receive? That is the question. Okay, so you can see from here that if you were to use model drawing, it helps. Okay, let's take a look here. 1/3 of it. Okay, can I say when this is 1/3, the other 2 girls will get 2/3. Okay. Okay. So this one will be for A. This is for J plus G. Okay, so I'm going to pull down the J plus G because this is meant to be shared by the 2 girls here. Okay, and the shared G itself is 5 times than Joyce. So I'm going to cut this into 6. So 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. So once I cut here, I need to cut here also. So once you cut 1, 1 for all and all for 1. Okay. And who has 5 times G? Let's look at G. So this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For Joyce, Joyce will be only 1 here. Do you see the thing now? 5:1. So for A itself, if I were to put A in green, A will be 3 units. Right. So they have different color here. So A is receive here. So this is 1488. Do you see this? Okay. So A is technically 1 time and of the total, but now 1 time is cut into 3 parts. So now the total sum it become how many units? Times 3, right? So now the new unit equals to 9. Okay, so this one will become 9. So I'm going to write this here to here. Nine small units. Well, A will be 3 units, which is 1,488. Okay, so from here to here, we call this 5 units. And this 5 units is meant for Jared. And the 1 unit is actually belonging to Joy. Okay, so he's going to find 1. So I use 1488 divided by 3, and I get down to the answer 496.